Still on Unit 1, Activity 2. We're now looking at this one here, page 2. There we go, page 2. We'll come over here to the FWC file. Okay, we've got it set up here with a sample scenario where we're looking at the students' transport to school. Now this is of course assuming that every student will either take car, bus, bike or walk to school. Of course you can click on these and you can change them to whatever you like simply by typing. Now what you do with this exercise is you'll have the students do a little bit of a survey, a poll in the class, and for each of these you'll write down the number of students that actually come to school by that method. Okay, now I'll show you how to use the pie slice tool. It's this one up here on the shapes toolbar. Okay, that one there. Now I'll just show you how to use it. Once you click on it, just click on it, let the mouse up. Okay, when you come over the protractor here, when you get close to the center, the red dot appears. Now I'll tell you what I'm doing here. I'm holding the left mouse button down. I'm going to drag it up to the top. You'll see another red dot. Okay, I'm still holding down the left mouse button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the left mouse button up now. I can move the mouse, okay, to move it to where I want it to be exactly. Now I'm going to once again press the left mouse button. I'm going to drag the mouse around to where I need it to be. Okay, for example here, let the left mouse button up, and there it is. Once I've made my pie slice, I need to get my select tool, either there or up here. Click on the select tool. I can then drag it out. Might want to put it down the bottom of the screen here, and I can choose to fill it a certain color. Okay, we'll just go through that again. Click on the pie piece tool. Okay, left mouse button down, dragging the mouse up to the top. Let the mouse button up. Once again, hold down the left mouse button and drag out your pie piece. Let the left mouse button up and use your select tool to drag the pie piece out. We can fill it again as well. Alright, I'll show you how we put these together. These pie pieces can be rotated by using the red handle there. I'll just scroll down to the bottom a bit. Alright, now what we can do is we can actually just bring them close to each other and the red dot will appear. Okay, excuse my small computer screen here. And then we can just rotate them around once again until the red dot appears and then snap them together. Okay, so you can actually make your own pie chart. Alright, of course before you do that you'll want to introduce the equation to the students. I'm just going to write it up the top here. Okay, so for this example here, just imagine that there was 25 students in the class. Okay, so of course your equation would be 360 divided by 25 students to get what each student is as degree. Okay, and then we multiply that by the number of students who are going by that method, 12. Okay, and this will give us our degrees. Okay, so this is a formula and concept you need to introduce to the students before they go through and do this exercise. Okay, just one other thing. On page 3 we have an extension exercise which the students can do for themselves, and on page 4 we have a printable version. So you can actually print this page 4 out, and if they've got a protractor they can then do their own activity on paper.